Are slow loading pages and code bloat getting you down? Let's declutter your website's tracking and speed things up by removing Google Tag Manager. Okay, let's dive straight into removing Google Tag Manager from your WordPress site. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and access your plugins. Your WordPress site may be using a plugin designed for integrating Google Tag Manager. The easiest method is to disable or delete the plugin first. This will likely remove the Tag Manager code from your site, so give that a try. Next, we can check the theme files directly. Head to Appearance, then Theme File Editor. Here, you'll need to locate your theme's header file. Be extremely cautious here. Check the header file for your Google Tag Manager container snippet. This usually consists of 2 distinct code snippets. Typically, you'll find a script tag within the head section and a further snippet near the opening body tag. You'll want to remove both of these code blocks entirely. Once you have removed the GTM code snippets, be careful when updating the theme. When you change the theme, the code will likely be replaced. Now, click Update File to save the changes. After that, it would be best to purge your website's cache finally, and most importantly, test your website speed and make sure Google Tag Manager is no longer pulling data. Congratulations, you've removed Google Tag Manager from your WordPress site.